Guys, I'm doing my morning run here at Lowe's. We're getting ready to start a new project. I'm excited for this one. Let's get with it. So guys, thanks for watching the video. As you can see here, we already got that main 2x6 wall up. And we actually had just a piece of paper with a sketch on it of what they wanted. And kind of like a little homemade blueprint. But they took and the plumbing, it goes in those 2x6 walls. So we had to put those right where the plumbing was. So we went ahead and built those walls. Got the 2x6 walls knocked out of the way. They had a 4-inch vent stack going all the way through the ceiling, so we had to have a 2x6 wall there. Well then, the way we're doing that is, we're taking and fastening our bottom plate with seal under it, with concrete anchors, and then we'll take a laser level and shine it down the edge of that bottom plate, and it will shine upon the ceiling right where the top plate needs to be. We'll go ahead and fasten the top plate up, cut it the same length as the bottom plate, and then we'll hold each individual stud, as you can see there, and mark it and cut it, because the concrete goes up and down a little and it varies, the stud length does. There's not a set one stud length. So we mark each individual one, we level them up, shoot them on. I hope you're enjoying this video. It's going to be a great build series. It's just the first video in it. This was actually recorded a couple months ago. But you guys hit that subscribe button and stay tuned. Watch this till the end. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below. If you don't care, hit that like button. You guys enjoy the video. It's going to be a lot of time lapse, but you're going to be able to see the framing process of what it takes to frame up a pole barn. And we're turning this into a general store / laundry room / shower rooms for the campground. And when we get done, this thing is awesome. I can't wait for y'all to see it. Behind me here, we just finished up framing. We still got to put some nailers in and a few other things, but I hope y'all are enjoying this time lapse up to this point. Just want to kind of give you a rundown. If you look here to my left, your right, we got 2 bathrooms over there framed up. Behind them's a storage room. Behind them's full bathrooms with full showers. Now up here to my right, your left, where the camera's sitting right now will kind of be like a counter area out in the store. And then back here is the kitchen and a laundry room behind that with like coin laundry. You come in that door and you can go into the laundry room, and over there is just like a little extension off the kitchen for storage and a fridge and stuff. But I hope you guys are enjoying it up to this point. Just wanted to kind of give you an update, and we're gonna go back in time-lapse mode for the rest of this thing. There's still a whole lot left to do. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. I really appreciate it. This is our first video in the pole barn to general store to campground to cabin rental series. I mean, it's going to be wild. We're doing a lot at this place. We already almost have the pole barn done, but you're just now seeing the videos, and it has turned out awesome. I'm really proud of it. It's turned out really good. I appreciate y'all watching. Hit that subscribe button. If you're not a subscriber, you're missing out. You're a loser. I'm just kidding. But hit the subscribe button. Hit the like button for me. If you don't care, just hammer that like button. And it means a lot to me. It means a lot to my family. Puts food in the kids' mouth. I'm just kidding. It actually does make us a little bit of money. We actually have started making a little bit of funds. And I appreciate y'all watching. I appreciate the comments. I try to read each one and reply to them. I don't want to be a YouTube channel where I just don't even reply to you all. I actually care about you guys. I love y'all and appreciate y'all for following along. And put in the comments what kind of videos y'all would like to see in the future. God bless. We'll see you later.